hot out here. Got the Vette King over here. That's the big boss man. Heard of the Tiger King, but this is the Vette King over here.
That's right, getting ready to go.
Getting ready to go, taking him for a ride in Godzilla. You know, he's Captain America over here, but we're gonna see. So, how many vets you have, and what kind of vets you have? Just so they know.
3, 5, 2 C6s, and 1 C7.
Wow, you hear this guy has 4 vets. This is insane. And they're not regular vets, right?
No, they're all done up.
Yeah, but what model? You gotta say that.
A little C5, C6, slow LS.
Yeah. They're Z06s, guys. Z06s, not no regular vet. All of them were Z06s.
They C5 base models.
Yeah.
Nothing special.
This guy, always trying to be a real, he is a racer. He's a real racer. If you're from CT, you probably heard of him. Definitely came up in the game. A lot of Civics. And now he's on to the big boy vets. A lot of liters, a lot of horsepower. Yeah, so we're gonna go check one of his vets.
This is a supervisor too. He gonna go first anyway. I told you.
Okay. Scared, you know, the boys. We gotta go to Mexico. Let's do a fun run in Mexico, guys. So we here with the Vette King out here. I'm gonna do a little pull. I'm only on a base map, only 18 pounds, so it's nothing much right now, but I'm gonna see what he thinks. You know, he has a bunch of 10-second, 9-second vets, so we'll see. You know, Spumatic. Got a few cars in front of me.
Yes, quick.
Yeah, and that's 18 PSI.
I have to make sure to check my seat.
This bitch was moving. This bitch was moving, huh? Yeah. I'm happy it's been holding me up so far. See, it's a little lag before 5, and then it kicks. I think 4th gear I get the full amount of 18 pounds. I'm pretty sure 3rd gear too, but it ramps up and boosts by gear.
Very impressed. Guys might have a problem out there.
Yep. Vette King.
They doing the most. Okay. We had lobster by the coast.
I gotta watch out for him. I'm still not gonna come after him head up, you know. Might have to get a bottle or something. I might have to see if Marsh can turn this guy up. Got my AC nice and cool, thanks to the Vette King.
AC feeling real good in here.
Yeah. Go visit him, J&D Performance. Got a few, if you're from the Connecticut area, you should just go Google it, J&D Performance. picked up this new toy. Oh, it's beautiful, man. I love the design. They did a real good job with the styling. Really impressed. A white C7 Z06. Oh man, and it has the removable top, carbon fiber, and the black and white thing is just really working. A really beautiful car. So get some shots of this guy, and it sounds amazing, and it's completely stock. Got the brakes. They seem bigger than my C6 brakes. Definitely seem bigger than my C6 Z06 brakes. They did an awesome job with the interior. Really clean looking. And this thing still has a brand new smell in it. Barely driven. And this is a 7-speed.
Some type of way because she chose. I usually just sit and scream out adios. She can tell that I get hoes. She go through my phone, she do the most. I'm looking like a mobster with my bros. I know you smell it on my clothes. I hit the gas, then adios. I had to tell my old hoe adios. My new bitch, she so bad, she do the most. She cook, she clean, and she buy me clothes. I had to tell my old hoes adios. Park the foreign body coast.
How much are these rated for from factory to the crank?
$650.
So $650 to the crank, and it's a supercharged motor. 6.2 liter.
Yep, 6.2.
6.2. And modded, how much power can these things hold?
Sky's the limit.
Sky's the limit.
Drop it off, hit the gas, then I go.
You heard it from the Vette King himself. So look at that. You could eat off that motor. Oh man. Really clean. This is brand spanking new. Yeah. So do you plan on going to the E85? 93?
That's special.
You only need 93 to beat these guys out here?
Well, we might, I don't know. We'll see.
Wow. And factory exhaust.
Factory exhaust.
Wow.
We're going to upgrade the supercharger, put a cam in it with some that, see what it do from there.
Okay. So definitely that'll bring it closer to the 9s or 9-second passes, or?
Somewhere around there.
Okay. Nice. Alcantara on the steering wheel. Carbon fiber on the dash. I don't know if you guys can see this. Carbon fiber trim. It's really a clean look with the screen. They really updated this car. And it has the nice steering wheel, you know, with the race design. It's really a clean car. And the black and white theme is just working. Yeah. Awesome. Z06. See it. The Vette King. We're gonna show his other Vettes in my other episodes. Please stay tuned. We're gonna show a lot of his Vettes. We're gonna do cruises and stuff like that. We'll do some runs in Mexico, you know, where it's legal, you know, and see how that goes. A very fast guy. He goes to the drag strip a lot, and always big in the streets. If you're from CT, you definitely heard of him.
I said, look, hey, I'm going to brand, and you ain't about to get it, I'm about to get it. That shit ugly, yo. Which one faster?
Mine, his is stock though. Yeah.
What you do this?
A bunch of bolt-ons, and it runs on E85.
Oh, your alcohol? Straight alcohol?
Yeah.
So what bolt-ons you did?
I got the intercooler pipe in, down pipes, exhausts, and intakes, and then bigger injectors and stuff like that.
How
And
many horsepower you think you're pushing?
around like 7.
My GTI Volkswagen will burn this.
Sure. Huh?
I'm like GTI burn this.
Oh, okay. I like racing for fun, you know.
Rabbit.
Yeah. I bet.
I eat this shit alive.
I believe it. I ain't doubting it. Yeah. So what's your favorite vet out of the 3?
C5.
C5 is the favorite. You hear it, guys? C5 is his favorite out of the C5, C6, and C7.
You do the most. I had to tell my own hoes adios. The beat my nice to Adicos. Shorty sexy from the head to toes. You mad cause I got yes and you got no. She told her old man adios. Picked up, hit the gas, then I
Over here at Mike and Tony's.